coordination, the ability to use the senses with the of each revolution. C. Restart the test if the performer jumped on the wrong side or step
Run to the finish line as fast as you can. For the facilitator, first check if the stop
must land on both feet. D. Perform the tests
maintenance of equilibrium while stationary or while moving. STORK Balance Test. Purpose: to assess one's ability to maintain equilibrium. Equipment: flat or non-slip surface and stopwatch. Procedure for the tester: remove the shoes and place hands on the hips. Next, position the right foot on the side of the knee of the left foot. Then, raise the left heel to balance on the ball of the foot. The last, do the same procedure with the opposite foot. Procedure for the partner: we have start the time as the heel of the performer is raised off the floor. Next, stop the time if any of the following occurs: the hand or the hands come off the hips, the supporting foot swivels or moves, hops in any direction, the non-supporting foot loses contact with the knee, the heel of the supporting foot touches the floor, and the last, there shall be 3 trials. Scoring: record the time taken on both feet in nearest seconds and divide the score to 2 to get the average percentage score. Reaction time. This is the amount of time it takes to respond to a stimulus. Next step is stick drop test. Purpose: to measure the time to respond to a stimulus. Equipment: 12-inch ruler or stick, and armchair or table and chair. Procedure for the tester: A. Sit on an armchair or chair next to the table so that the elbow and the lower arm rests on the desk or table comfortably. B. Place the heel of the hand on the desk or table so that only the fingers and thumb extend beyond. Fingers and thumb should at least be 1 inch apart. C. Catch the ruler or stick with the thumb and index finger without lifting the elbow from the desk or table as the partner drops the stick. Hold the stick while the partner reads the measurement. D. Do this thrice. Procedure for the partner: A. Hold the ruler or stick at the top, allowing it to dangle between the thumb and fingers of the performer. B. Hold the ruler or stick so that the 12-inch mark is even between the thumb and the index finger. No part of the hand of the performer should touch the ruler or stick. C. Drop the ruler or stick without warning and let the tester catch it with his or her thumb and index finger. D. Record the score on the upper part of the thumb. Scoring: record the middle of the 3 scores. For example, if the scores are 21, 18, and 19, the middle score is 19. In case where the 2 scores are the same, for example, 18, 18, 25, the repeated score shall be recorded.
Like the video and subscribe my YouTube channel for more educational videos. If you learned something, do not hesitate to share this to your classmates.